only table.
It's only girl table?
Yeah, I'm asking you to leave. I'm respectfully asking you to go to another table.
If you want to like speak with you guys, like...
There are plenty of tables. Like there's that one over there that you guys could go to.
Why is she so rude?
Because I'm not. Go away.
It's true.
Go. Begging on my knees. Go.
It's just like
It's our table.
it's just weird for you to just sit down with us. Like
Go to the
I don't
table
know
where
you.
there's no people. Right there. You see that? Guys, there's no one over there. You should go sit there. I think you should go sit there. Look, it's crying. It has no people at its table. You guys need to go over there.
My brother likes your friend.
That's good. We are both in relationships, and I'd love if you'd leave.
My friend?
Go away, please. Go. 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 Do you want me to spill your Guinness on you? Because I will. Go. 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 Go away. I'm asking you to fucking leave. Go. 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 I guess we'll go then. You want our table? We'll fucking go. 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 Leave. I'm asking you to fucking leave. Go. Get away. Witch. 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 Go.
Boom, tactical protection review. So these are the worst types of guys. These are the ones I can't understand. I hate these kind of guys. They're creepy. They got the EBGBs. You know, it's like if you were to freeze frame on their faces, you would see they have predatory eyes, right? The second the eyebrows turn down, they're like trying to look friendly, but they have predatory eyes, right? So you can see the predatory eyes. You can pick up the creeper energy. They're obviously not respecting these females. What do you do if you're in a situation like this with these types of betas? Like people talk about toxic masculinity, whatever. Here's the thing about masculinity. It is self-policing, right? So if you're ever in a situation like this with these sick types of like betas that I can't stand, and I don't want to get into the alpha beta conversation. I'm just saying that it's never really a genuinely healthy, strong, self-actualized male that does this type of thing. It's always the cowardly, disgusting, weak types of dudes that you find doing things like this, like and hoping no one like talks or exposes them. When these types of dudes do this, what you need to do next, do not try to deal with it on your own. Do not yell at them. Do not become disrespectful. Do not escalate, right? Just simply use your social intelligence and your social leverage as a female. Go find another alpha male, an actual alpha male in your environment. You all know exactly who it is, who they are. Everyone knows who everyone is in the room. So go find that alpha male and say, hey, these two freaks will not leave me alone. They are at our table. They're harassing us. We've asked them to leave. They are not leaving us alone. And that dude will come in with his cape and you will get to watch masculinity police itself. My advice, tell those dudes straight up, hey, look, I'm uncomfortable with you at the table. You're harassing us at this point. I'm going to tell security and we're going to call law enforcement. And don't mess around. Like, you don't have any female superpowers. They're going to cause them to respect you all of a sudden. They just aren't afraid of women because they don't really have to be. But what you do have is 911, which is masculine violence on speed dial, or you have these social hierarchies and structures that are in place because you do still live in the West, probably where those things are somewhat intact, and you can just go find another man who looks like a hitter and say, hey, these guys are making me uncomfortable. We've been asking them to leave and they're not leaving. Use your skills, right? And understand the scenario. You try to get up and leave and these dudes are questioning, no, don't leave. No, please don't leave. Listen, you're making yourself the perfect victim. Absolutely do not take that from any male. And when you see behaviors like this, it's so predatory. You now need to start to take actions to protect yourself. It's nothing to be played with. That dude starts trying to keep you at the table. You get louder, you make a scene, because what these guys are afraid of is being exposed and the greater masculine public around them seeing them, because they're victim weight. Those dudes are straight up freaking casualties if there's another male in the environment that gets a hold of them. So socially engineer a scenario using your social leverage as a female to recruit an alpha. Give them one warning. Do not escalate the situation by trying to act tough and be disrespectful and all that stuff, because that can get you literally physically hurt. Call the police. Just tell them what you're going to do and then do it. That's how you save yourself. The other part of the equation that's not in the video is now you've got to think about how you disrespected a bunch of cowards, and cowards are dangerous, cowardly men in that restaurant who might be waiting for you on your walk to your car. Tactical protection review, considerations, make sure a man escorts you to your car after a scenario like this takes place. God bless, Semper Fi. Boom. Boom, it's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. learn online, and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there, and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.